Hey there, in this quick Outlook guide, I am going to show you how to make sure you hear a sound every time you get a new email. Start by opening your browser and heading over to Outlook.com. Go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside your inbox, look at the top right corner of your screen and click the gear icon. That's the settings button. Now in the panel that pops up from the list on the left, click on General, then choose Notifications. You will see a section at the top called Notifications in Outlook. Make sure the toggle switch is turned on, then click the arrow next to that toggle, the little one pointing down. Now make sure the box that says Allow Notifications to Play Sounds is checked. That's what actually enables the sound whenever a new email arrives. You can also scroll down and make sure notifications for mail, calendar, and documents are all turned on depending on what you want to be notified about. And that's it. Your Outlook is now set up to play a sound when a new message comes in. No more silent inbox surprises. If you're still not hearing anything, double check that your browser tab isn't muted and your computer volume is turned up. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe if you want more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.